Hideout Country crew. Let's have another good day. Roller shade. Oopsie daisies. What are these?
There's no batteries in it right now.
Not sure. Baby stuff. Baby. I think this is all baby stuff.
Yup.
That's what a lot of this stuff is. My mom's like, yep, we had it, now we're done.
Okay, we don't need baby stuff.
No, our babies are getting pretty old now.
These tables are nice. I do like the tables.
Yeah, I do too.
Oh my word.
Oh my word.
It's a wizard.
Ooh.
What in the actual?
Watch the ground, babe. Not this again.
Oh no. Free box. Chevy.
You think those will fit him?
Yeah, they're around the house.
Yeah.
And a jersey.
Sure.
Heck yeah, they're free. Why not? Not like they're going to school anytime soon.
That's funny because there's a Chevy van going. Camel bird.
I'm keeping him.
It's a Willy
That's what it looks like.
duck.
I don't know. I'm keeping him.
He is pretty cool.
Never seen that before, so.
That is pretty cool.
Which ones?
The pink one's right there.
Oh, there's pink, white, and red.
We already have white.
Yeah, we do. I'll get the red and the pink. I didn't even see them.
Sweetie.
Yeah, what'd you find? Oh, Keith Urban and Blake Shelton. Yeah,
God's Country.
yeah.
$1 a piece.
There we go. I'll keep the Blake Shelton.
Okay.
I don't know. It depends on which one this is, because I don't
This
like.
is God's Country.
No, I'll Keith Urban. I don't like Keith Urban, so it depends on what songs are on here.
Oh, that's right. You always thought he was kind of creepy.
Oh, it's on there. My favorite. That's what I wanted to have our play at our wedding with somebody like you.
Okay.
Like our wedding like 14 years ago.
Okay.
What do you think?
I'll hold your goodies.
What do you think about this box for 50 cents?
We have a lot of them.
Do we? Look all over here.
Yeah, are you going this direction?
Fish filters.
Fish filters.
Oh yeah, ink cartridge. You want to grab that? Hi. Two glasses, 2 CDs, and a duck. And these were in,
free?
Yeah,
yep,
we
those
got
were in the
those.
free bin. Sure.
You can put those in first.
Yeah. But my duck,
Yeah.
he is a cute duck.
Are these Kobe's?
Thank you.
Amount.
How much for this?
I've learned a lot in training I've done. It is hard. I took it, mine's finishing this week, but I didn't really have to take it.
Okay.
Because I took a grad class already that was online, so
Okay.
I took it just because ours is geared toward math, and I
Okay.
wanted to see the tools.
You are just a cozy puppy, aren't you?
Yep. Getting up for pet.
Hi. You're just so cozy on that bed. I love it. Our puppies would love it.
Yeah.
Bingo, Marshall. Bingo. Bingo, a lot of things. All right, guys. We're going to get some good luck here.
Yep. If we get a big 8 and they're for free.
Oh, that's nice. I'll put it in my office.
Big A for Amber. It's like a little tack board A.
Yeah.
A for Amber.
A for Amber.
Hello.
Sage.
Also vintage Christmas stuff.
Oh yeah. We have so much of that though.
I know, we have so much vintage Christmas.
I think that's the largest collection we have
Yeah,
in
it
it.
is vintage Christmas.
And it was given, kind of given to us, so. Then, kind of interesting, huh?
Well, it's like an old Star Wars.
$2?
It's newer though.
Yeah, but still.
Yeah. Track phone.
Star Trek
The
phone.
phone. Yeah, see?
Are you serious
Yeah,
right now?
See? Earpiece, mouthpiece.
Grab it.
Grab it.
Yeah. Yes, that's freaking awesome.
Christmas music.
Oh my gosh, that is.
So we found this one right here. In the
Oh, yeah. Yep.
All
So now we
right.
have to figure out, maybe I should add it up first.
Yep, got 8.
So 4 and 8 is 12.
13, 14,
Yeah.
14.
25.
I just do
No, that's fine.
14 for everything.
Even.
Perfect.
I kind of hate to let the Enterprise go because I'm a huge fan.
Well, I say that I've seen these before a while ago, and I was like, it's
You know
a
what else we
phone.
have? We have, it's really nice. I gave it to my daughter and then to my dad. It's this silver, beautiful, it's a pizza cutter where the round part of the ship is the cutter.
Oh, that's
wow.
cool.
That is cool.
And I really like this too. We just never really, thanks.
Yeah.
You know, I got to meet Gene Roddenberry.
Really?
He spoke at my college and I got to hang out with him in the green room with my dad. Yeah, it was super cool.
That is
He was
awesome.
a wonderful man.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Remember, you're going to challenge our viewers.
Oh yeah. For 100 years of good luck, all you gotta do is smash that subscribe button and give us a like. Turn the bell on, and you'll have 100 years of good luck. Smash it!
Yeah. Cooler. It's a nifty little wine cooler thingy.
It's a little wine picnic set.
Yeah.
You put your wine bottle in there, there's a top cork, got your glasses, your cork, get your napkins.
Uh-huh. That is kind of cool.
Yeah, it's like a row.
Yeah, it is. That is pretty cool.
It's pretty awesome.
Does it actually say free on it? We're gonna go this one first, to the right?
Yeah, it don't matter. I'm
To the right, to the right. I know, I'm excited about that one. There's a lot of crap over there. Let me get your crap. Free? No. Oh, it's got a big chip, that's why. That's a bummer. Yeah, you like that army stuff, huh? Pretty
Well, this right
cool.
here, it's a tree stand backpack.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so you put all this in here, you put this on your back, and you can carry it out anywhere.
Dude, this one is freaking $2.
Huh?
This one's $2 for the Air Force.
Looks like a female cut too.
I know it does.
It is.
I kind of want it. But why is this one $4? Oh, because it's got the pants. Well, then I might as well just get the $4 one.
You get both of them.
Okay. Why? And then I can keep one and sell one?
Huh?
Then I can keep one and sell one?
Mm-hmm.
For that price, why not? This one's a large to regular, babe.
Medium short.
The large to regular would probably fit you. That one matches mine.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the plain no shoe.
Yeah, those are nice shoes. For sure.
They were my size.
Yeah, they're not.
Oh.
Look at this Sonic mask.
Yeah, that is awesome.
How much are you selling your masks for?
Oh, I just $5 for the small one and $6. But it's okay, $5 you can have.
I was thinking about grabbing that
Yeah,
one.
grabbing that one for Chevy because he needs a new one.
That's a really cute
Yeah,
one.
it is. It is very cute. Okay,
Okay.
I think we're good with these. Wait, what's this?
What?
This.
It's a kid's pajama set.
There's 2 pairs in here? What size are they?
This is size 8. I don't know if it's. I think it
How
might
much
just
do you
be
want for 'em?
1. Yeah, it's just actually.
There might be 2, but that's
Yeah.
okay. How much do you want for them?
Think about percent. She said 5.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
You can do that.
You done yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe.
I don't know, maybe.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we
Yep.
have
And
one
then-
no pants and one with pants.
$2 and then $4.
Okay.
So 14 total.
All right. Did you want a bag? I can get you a bag.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah, that would be great.
Oh, the set one, $4.
Yep.
Yep.
All in all.
Yep.
Yep, $4.
$4 for the pants.
$8.
Yep.
And
Oh, so 18? Wait.
So
Yeah.
you want $8 for these,
mm-hmm.
and then
Then
Plus-
$5. Then
5 and 5.
5 and 5.
So
it's
18. Yeah. That was my fault.
No problem.
Don't know how to count. Here, Chevy got some stuff too. Did you want the hangers?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't want them.
We have too many hangers at our house.
Okay.
Thank you much.
All right, thank you.
You want me to run these down while you start hitting other trail here?
Sure.
And I'll come back and meet you?
Okay.
Actually, I'll probably just pull down.
Okay. I am your father.
Stranger Things, awesome.
It's a sprinkler.
It's a sprinkler.
Yeah.
Our dogs would tear that thing in half.
Yeah, they would. Good point.
That'd be awesome, babe. We brought
Good
them
point.
home. I got Creeker and River, they would eat that guy.
Yeah, they would. Would you do 5 for this? Would you do 5 for this?
I have no idea.
Okay.
You have to ask her. Sorry.
Would you take 5 for the Vault Boy? Whatever it is?
take 8 right now.
Or if it's just 12 for
Does
the
it
whole
come with
box?
these 3 in the front here?
Yeah.
For the 12?
Yep.
For the whole box? Yeah, we could do that.
I'm taking that.
Okay.
Thank
$12, thank you.
Awesome. Enjoy those.
Oh yes.
Oh, I love them.
Have a good rest of the day.
You too, thank you.
Good luck with your sale.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Chevy's gonna freak out.
What?
I told him if I ever see Battleship,
Oh, you're gonna get them Battleship?
and he asked me like last week, he's like, how come there's no Battleships at the garage sales? Like, well, there is today. We got enough pieces though?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
They're full.
yep. Oh, he's gonna be so happy. $50? 50 cents?
Yeah, that'd be for you if you want them. They're kind of glittery.
I know.
For me.
That's why I like them. Ooh, yeah, don't do that. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Chevy's gonna be super excited.
Yes, he is. There you go. Thank you much.
Yep. Thank you.
Have a good day. I got a Cabbage Patch baby. Oh,
And this.
ooh.
That's a nice number.
Well, there's no prices, so
there's
you have to ask him what he wants and make a deal with him.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
What deal you working on one of these nice?
So that's $70 brand new. For that one, I'd take 30 for it. It's never been used. Nothing's ever been cut. You give me 30, I'll just throw them both.
They continue looking at that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good knife, man. It
Yeah, for
it's
both.
never it hasn't cut anything brand new.
I tried.
You can put it up, but if it doesn't sell within a week,
In a,
That paint roller. So
Within a
that
week?
takes
Yeah.
Bigger size nails.
Alright, well, I
than
found my
regular.
stuff. What do you got on these?
What do you want to pay?
$5 for both?
Sounds good.
Alright.
so 35.
Sounds good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Have a great
Yeah,
day.
you too.
That was a pretty good last stop for the day. Unless we see something on the way out, but that was a pretty good last stop for the day.
Yeah, I liked it.